Hey guys, so what I want to say is when you're sitting in your car, even from a club car to your personal car, when you're sitting in the driver's side, you have a left and you have a right. And if you look at our parts, if you ever need to order parts from Clear Creek Vehicles, the clevis is stamped left. See how the spindle only has one arm? That's left. This spindle has two arms. That is the right spindle. Here is your camber adjustment cam bolt that I wanted to show you all. And if you just take that, and that's what gives you the camber on your club car. All of our leaf springs have bushings and sleeves in them. Sometimes you'll have to replace the bushings and sleeves. We run with the A-arm on top. We run with the kingpin that the spindle sits on. And in between the kingpin and the spindle is a wave washer. So on top of that is the clevis, and remember, driver hand side is left, passenger side is right, and that's how you'll tell the difference. Now, Club Car calls this a front frame assembly. I call it a shock tower, and that is your parts on the Club Car front end. Thanks, guys.